Get ready, going green.
Okay, GR86. Alton Park already had contact with the guy on the left because he was trying to swerve using the whole track, and obviously I want to be in my lane. So, fortunately no X, no damage, I don't think. We're off. Okay. Don't need to watch for him because clearly he doesn't have any respect for anyone else on the track. This guy here just decided he could swerve wherever he wanted, and everyone else just has to get out of his way. So we got a bad run here. I'll just position myself.
Thanks, man. Thanks. Thank you, man.
There's like some people behind have had a problem. I'm just not getting out the corners at the moment. Okay, well, we'll have to see.
Keep to the right. Clear. Car right. Still there. Clear.
Okay, well, there's no one behind because it looks like there's been a bit of a problem. So let's see if we can just settle in. Make a bit of progress.
Right
Got a
side.
much better run up the hill there.
Stay on the left.
Get this by gap back, hopefully.
Keep to the left.
Seems to want to
Clear on the
nudge me out of the way though, didn't he? GR86 isn't it? It's typical. Oh dear, oh dear. I don't know why I race GR86s sometimes. They're a bit rough. Let's get back after Dimmer. He was keen, wasn't he? Trying to nudge me in pit manoeuvre. We'll have to watch him. There's a few people we're going to have to watch, I think, in this race. It's only 15 minutes. We haven't got long.
59.987. Right side.
Not getting around there very well, am I?
Keep to the left. Still there. Clear.
Oh, where's he gone?
The car behind.
He's gone off. He's trying to go around the outside, I think. Anyway, let's get settled in. So we can close back in again. Another bad run, hasn't he? No, we're back with them anyway. Let's see if we can get by any of them cleanly, which will be a bit of a miracle, I think. Doing it cleanly. Got a good run there.
Left side.
Much better run than him.
Stay on the right. Keep to the right.
I'll keep the inside and see what happens, shall we?
50.199. You're in the top 10. Still there, hold your line. Clear on the left. Right side. Still there, hold your
Keep the
line.
inside for the next bend then.
Keep to the left. Clear.
More contact. He's not afraid, is he, to have a bit of contact? I guess I've got to get my elbows out a little bit. Else I'll get beaten up by all these guys. Okay, at least we've had a clean run through there. 2 seconds then we've got to make up now. Can we make it up?
10 minutes to go.
We'll see. Getting away a little bit from that guy, aren't we? Hopefully they'll just all be compromised on their lines because they're quite close together. They're battling a little bit, so we're getting within 2 seconds now.
The car in P2 just set the fastest lap. 48.893, 50.1.
I don't know if third or fourth is better around there. I find fourth, I don't have the control. Third, I don't have the speed, so I don't know. I'm not sure. Well, we haven't lost the guy behind, have we? Because we had a slow run through that. Don't really want him on our tail. We can help it. Nice to close in on these guys ahead. Yeah, we're not there, are we? That completely wrong. Completely wrong.
Right side. Still there, hold your line. Clear on the right. Left side. Keep to the right.
Well, we have to defend the inside.
6-1. Stay on the right. Clear on the left. Right
Hard
side.
to overtake in this class.
Stay on the left.
Goodness, this has not worked out for me at all.
Still there. Clear.
Not at all. That's it. This has not worked out at all.
Car right. Clear on the right.
Oh, where's he gone? It's like it was a balloon that burst then. Where did he go? Okay, well, let's see if we can get him back. Slow exit there, I think, didn't he? It's all because I got that double right-hander completely wrong. Thank you, mate. Well, sorry doesn't really help, does it? Gonna lose another spot now.
Right side. Keep to the left. Stay on the left. Clear.
Careful, slow car, middle track.
Okay, what are we going to do then? I mean, they are going quicker than me, these guys.
53.992.
Gone a bit quicker there. Maybe fourth is better then.
Five minutes to go.
Well, it's just really not gone how I hoped. So, are we going to get anywhere here? Doesn't look like it. Running out of time yet. Really have not got the lines for this track.
The leader did a 49.462.
Yeah, we're a bit far off that, aren't we?
50.188.
And off track, nearly. That was. Oh dear, really struggling around here. Really struggling.
You've got damage on the right side.
Nice one, Bruno.
Maybe that's why, I don't know. Shouldn't slow us down that much. Oh, everyone else just seems quicker than us, don't they?
Left side. Clear on the left.
So two in front have had problems. Hitting each other. And maybe there's a chance here. Gosh, he's all over the grass, that guy. Oh, what's he doing then? Stopping. Wonder why. So back up to 12th.
Car 2 is up the front.
Yeah, Dimmer's just disappeared by the looks of it.
0.619.
A better turn. Oh, he's gone well wide, hasn't he? Is that going to give us an opportunity? The yellow car's got through anyway. This will be our best lap anyway. If we can carry this through to the end. There's a big old gaggle of cars up there as well.
Got a slow car on the right.
And as I say that, one of them goes off, which is
Slow car on the
I thought
right.
might happen. How much momentum have they lost? A fair bit. It's all about momentum in these cars.
They do, for real, that's twice.
I mean, quit braking so fucking early. Like, what are you doing?
White flag. One more left to
These
go.
cars in front of me stopping. You have to stop. What's the thing?
Okay, it's our best lap anyway.
49.797. That was your fastest lap of the session.
Finally getting some of these corners right now. As the load of fuel's come down, that's helped. Oh gosh, where are they going? This looks could be interesting, couldn't it? I was hoping to follow him through them. Didn't work. I need to watch out for this guy behind because any opportunity he'll be down the inside as well, I should think. I think there's still more to come in this race. Yeah, these two are going to fight it all the way to the apex, aren't they? Yeah, I get the feeling there's still going to be another little accident somewhere. Be wrong. And we got a good run, didn't we? Nice move.
Left side.
That didn't work for him, did it?
No.
Blimey.
What's
Cast off
Ah,
to the right.
okay. Well,
Car on the right. Cast off
I'll
on
take
the
that.
right.
That was fun. Not too many incidents for a 4X, so not too bad.
Okay, we'll get
Yeah, a lot of fun that. Let's have a look at those incidents, shall we? This is where it started badly. You got this car here, look, trying to take up all the road, doing his swerving, and you can't do that. People need to get line by line. You know, you've got to have respect for other people on the track. So that didn't start well, and then we got through to the start. So let's see what the incidents were. Okay, first corner then. That's that rusty car. Oh dear, oh dear. That's a bit of a mess, isn't it? Gosh, yeah. Oh dear. Yeah, that's why there was no one behind us. Okay. A few of them got going again. This is me. Okay, so we're on the inside. And what happens then? Oh, he just turns into me, doesn't he? Thank you very much. And we've got someone who's just not going to get braked. Off you go. Into the wall. Yeah, easily done. Now, what have we got? Just a little touch and then... Okay, that's all right. Oh, this doesn't look like it's going to end well, does it? Oh, dear, oh, dear. Well, they were lucky to get away with that. Now, this is the yellow car ahead of us, I think, wasn't it? Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Well, he took the shortcut. So he did a good job there. He's not happy, though, is he? Just sort of tell, can't you? Is this going to be a little pit manoeuvre? Yeah. Yeah, that's the guy that was swerving around all the time, wasn't it? Okay. He's gone down the outside. Is he going to... Oh. Is he going to make it? Well, he didn't make it clean, did he? Now, what's going to happen? Just a dive up the inside? No, just missed his brake, And that was it. Quite interesting. Okay, well, let's have a look at the results. So that was top split out of 10. Managed to get a little bit of I rating. And didn't lose too much safety rating. So I guess that's a win, I think, as far as I'm concerned in that one. So lap times went then 48.8. That's pretty quick, isn't it? 49.3, 49.2, 49.6. Where were we? We were 49.7, so we're a little bit off. It took us a while to get in the swing of it. I didn't do much practice. So I think if I did the race again, I'd do a little bit better. But we did get beaten up a little bit there, didn't we? Started 9th, finished 11th. So, yeah, not great. Anyway, I do enjoy the GR86s, so they can be a bit feisty. Some of the drivers, a bit racy, but that's what we like, isn't it? Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time on the track.